Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you're having an awesome day. I wanted to let my YouTube audience know that now that we are on day 6, I am going to give my YouTube audience the opportunity to get in on the giveaway, because if you don't follow Instagram and you don't follow Facebook, you may not be able to get in on that giveaway. So I'm going to give my YouTube audience a surprise day on one of these jig days or plan days that I'm offering up to be able to get in on that giveaway so you can be eligible. But if you're not able to win for any reason, I am going to give a surprise day for some of the people that maybe have missed these past days and the discount codes. So be watching for that, and be watching for your day to get in on the giveaway. It's coming up very, very soon because we're just now hitting the halfway mark with day 6. And with day 6, I'm going to release my miter jig attachment for the ultimate crosscut sled that I gave up for grabs yesterday. So this particular jig, the way it's mounted on this sled gives me more versatility. And I know a lot of people have asked me that in the past. How does that work? If I was to turn this thing around like some of the ones that I've seen in the past, it puts the front up here where it's very difficult to see, not to mention the fence might hinder how long of pieces that I can do, and it takes the 90-degree crosscut capabilities completely away. With it turned around this direction, I'm still able to crosscut 90 degrees. The cutting tip is actually within view sight, and I can put as long a pieces as I want on this sled and not have to worry about the fence coming into play. So this is a great attachment for this sled, and like I said, there's multiple uses for this sled by making multiple attachments. This is just one of them. So be sure and download this one for yourself. You'll be able to get a 50% off discount code that will be down in the description below. Check that out and go ahead and make one for yourself. And guys, I want to thank you very much for tuning in on this particular episode to get yourself a code, and I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Boom!